trunk, I got 2 Resilient Sound Platinum 18s in the 4th order at a 1/4 ohm on Salt 4K.
Oh man.
Oh yeah.
You went 4th order.
Oh yeah.
Info first.
What year, make, model, all that good stuff?
Everything, yep.
It's a 2016 Nissan Sentra. On the doors, I got 2 Unlawful Sounds 8s and 8 DB Drive P7M 6.5s with a horn and a tweeter. In the trunk, I got 2 Resilient Sound Platinum 18s in the 4th order at a 1/4 ohm on Salt 4K.
1/4 ohm. Have you clamped your rise yet?
I didn't check rise, but 6K.
Does it ever cut off? Okay. Have you metered it?
Yes. Same as it's been. Single 18, 212s, it don't matter. It's all 147.
147. Okay. Are you happy with it or no?
I can demo all day. I can play lows. I can.
Yes, sir.
It's all I wanted. If I wasn't louder, I wouldn't care that much. I just wanted a demo monster.
Okay. Did you build the box?
Yes.
What's the specs?
No idea. It fits.
It fits. Okay. So
I can tell you the max dimensions. That's about it.
Okay. So you don't know your cubes?
Nothing.
Nothing. Okay. It just sounds good.
No sealed ratio. No ported ratio. No nothing.
Okay. All right. Is louder windows up or down?
Down.
Down. Okay. All right. I'm ready. You ready, Jess? You ready? Lower musically than before too.
Oh yeah.
So you gain bandwidth and you stayed flat response. So you gain bandwidth and you're still metering about the same. So you're happy then.
And I can move hair now.
And you can move hair trick better. Awesome.
I just switch my doors and start working again.
Sounds good. Still sounds pretty clean.
It's just horns and tweeters.
Just horns?
Horns and tweeters, that's it.
Alright. You got another song?
Oh yeah.
Alright. it's still got the high note. Yeah, a little bit. Not as high maybe, but what is your peak at?
30.
30. Well,
30 hertz.
that's actually a good peak, but you're not as loud on that peak maybe though.
Well, I mainly compete in demo dominator anyway, so.
That's right. Thanks for the demo, man. Nice to meet you again. Oh yeah, no problem. I like videos. Salt 4K. Wow. Does it ever get hot?
It's about 130 degrees right now, but
Well, it tells you.
yeah, it's got the voltage readout and the temperature readout
Really?
built in on the knob.
Dude, that's nice. Awesome. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, man. I understand. Hey, have a good day, man. Hey, get what you pay for though.
Y'all niggas ain't talking about
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.